Look, guys. You see? Isn't that beautiful? Nice. Hello, hello, everyone. Today we're gonna make Dewey John and fried chicken, fried plantain. This is my chicken. I already cut most of it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I do that. All right, guys. All right. See, I already take those off. This is chicken leg quarter. Okay. So what I do, I clean them like that. Okay. Sometimes they have leftover, fur. Clean them like that. And take some fat off if you want. Some people like the fat. It's up to you. If you want to take some off. Some people even take everything, all the skin off. But I don't take all the skin off. I just take those fat one. Because the skin, when you fry it, you give it a good, you know, it tastes good. And take this part off. Okay. In Haiti, they will take those vein off, but it's not important. And here, we're gonna take those off too. Clean it. Taking this part too off. And then we're gonna cut it like that. Okay. Sorry, I'm making noise, but I have to show you how to do it, guys. It's not like, showing you a little thing and you don't see the other one. No. You wanna know how to cook? You come to this channel. Okay. You see? That's 2. So I'm gonna make it 4. There we go. A chicken leg quarter, I make it 4. Then I'm gonna put it my bowl here. And then I'm gonna start cleaning my meat. So you don't need to do all that I'm gonna do. This is the way Haitian clean meat. But if you wanna just rinse it out and marinate it, it's okay. Because I do it when I don't have time. Sometimes I do it like that and it's fine. So I got some sour orange here. That's fresh sour orange from that orange. So I'm gonna take this of it, the seed, and put it in there. Because I'm gonna use it later to marinate my meat. So okay. I don't have much. I could wash my meat with it too, but it's not, don't have that much. And we're gonna put some salt to clean our meat. And we're gonna add some vinegar over it. And we're gonna put some lime. This is my lime. You see, guys. Put some lime juice over it. You don't have to rub it like that. If you want, you can, but you don't have to. We're trying to make our lives easier. When you squeeze the lime in it, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. Squeeze it all over and then just massage it like that. And you can let it, oops, I dropped one. You can let it sit for like 30 minutes, or you can rinse it off right now. And that's what I'm gonna do now. Sometimes I let it sit. If I have time, you know, I don't want the food now, I do. But now I'm gonna rinse it out and pour some boiled water on it and marinate it, put it over the stove. Okay? Let's go. Okay, guys. Now I'm done rinsing it out. So now I'm gonna put the boiled water. This is boiled water. If you don't have a little thing like that, get one. It's very handy. Let me show you what I sing. Something like that. Boil your water real fast. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take them out. Like I said, if you've been watching me, when you boil the water, it take, the chicken smell, out, some of it out. So when you're eating your chicken, it's not smell like chicken. Okay, now we're gonna put it in that pot to marinate it. Okay, guys, now we're gonna marinate our meat. Get that spoon. Okay, this is my green season, my Haitian épices. If you wanna know how I make that, check it out in my YouTube channel, Lizna Cooking. Okay, I'm gonna put some of it. Depending how much meat you're cooking, so you know how much seasoning to put. So I put 4 spoons of my Haitian épices, and this I like to put sometime. It has garlic, sour orange, and other thing. This is mojo marinade. I'm gonna put like a spoon, 1 spoon of that, and I'm gonna put a spoon of my fresh sour orange. I'm not gonna put all of it. Fresh sour orange. If you don't have fresh sour orange, you're gonna put 2 or 3 spoons of mojo. Okay, now I'm gonna put some complete seasoning, my complete seasoning, because I didn't put it in my Haitian épices. If I put it in my Haitian épices, I will not put it now. Okay, guys, and I'm gonna put some paprika. I love paprika. I didn't put paprika either in my Haitian épices. Okay, then we're gonna put some chicken bouillon. It's optional. You don't have to put it. I'm sorry. And you don't have to put the Haitian épices either. If you have other, dry season, you can, you can put it. But if you really, really, really want the taste of Haitian food, you have to. A little bit of salt, not too much. Okay, now you're gonna massage it. Put my gloves on. I don't want to dirty my hand today. I like to cook with gloves. All right, then you're gonna go like that and massage your meat. This is a good massage. There we go. Okay, and then you're gonna steam it. That food not gonna take long to cook. I mean that meat, because chicken don't take long to cook. You see, this is it. I marinate my chicken, and then last we're gonna put some of those fresh things. So here we have some a bouquet of thyme and persil. I'm gonna put it here, and I have a Scott bonnet pepper. Put it here, and then we're gonna steam it like that. We're not gonna put water on it. We're just gonna steam it like that because chicken don't need much water. All right, guys. Okay, guys. Now for the rice, the John John rice. Okay, this is what we're gonna need. Here I have some peas, green peas. It was in the freezer. I don't think I'm gonna cook all of it. Depend, if you like a lot, or depend how much rice you cooking. So this is my John John that come from Haiti. So I keep it in my fridge. I already put some in there. You see? But what I wanna tell you about John John, it come from the earth. So you gotta be careful. Look under it here. You see? This is dirt. When you buy John John, you have to put it in something like that, so you can go like that and all the dirt can come out. I already shake this. It is so all the dirt can come out. I already shake this in the sink, and it doesn't have much now. And you have to go over it and look to see if you can find anything, that look funny. So yeah, you have to clean it, guys. Some of them are clean, some are not, before you put it in the boil water. Okay, I just want to mention that. Okay, and here you can make your diri John John without shrimp, with no shrimp. But if you want, you can add some shrimp, make it more flavorful. So this is my shrimp. I get some. You see? Sometimes I don't want it with shrimp. Sometimes I want it with shrimp. So this is a pound of shrimp. I don't think I'm gonna use all of it. You just need a few of them. Okay? I got a pound of shrimp here, and we're gonna make our diri John John. Let's go, guys. This is our Haitian make diri John John. Okay? We got some water boiling over there. We're gonna put our John John in that boiling water. This is our John John. Okay? And we're gonna turn the stove off. As soon as you put it, the boiled water, you can turn it off. There we go. Okay. And here we have our pot. Gonna put some oil. I think I turn off the front one, not the back. Okay, good. All right, we're gonna let the John John cool so we can squeeze it. Put some oil, and we're gonna put some of Haitian épices. If you don't know how to make that, like I said, check it out in my YouTube channel, Is Not Cooking. Okay? You need to know how to make that épice. You have to have it in your house if you wanna have the taste of Haitian food. All right, guys. Always have that in your fridge if you love Haitian food taste. Okay. Let it fry a little. We're not gonna let it, burn. That's what I meant. Okay. And now we're gonna add Our green peas, I rinse it out. This is frozen. I rinse it out, but it's still frozen. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna put some coconut milk. It's optional. You don't have to put coconut milk. You can cook it with water. You know, you don't have to put coconut milk. But me, I love coconut milk, and this one was in the freezer. You can buy some can. Me, this is fresh coconut milk I ground myself, and yeah, that was in the freezer. And we're gonna need a bouquet of persil and thyme, and we're gonna need a Scott bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna open it because I don't want it spicy. If you want it spicy, you can open it. I just put it for taste, for flavor. It gives the rice a good flavor. So after that, we're gonna put a little bit of cloves. You can buy the other one, but I have the powder one. I like the powder one better. So we put a little bit of cloves, and we're gonna put a little bit of complete seasoning. Guys, try to put a little bit of complete seasoning in your rice. I make my rice all kind of ways. Sometimes I don't put complete seasoning, sometimes I put some. So here we go. Make the rice taste very good too. And I'm gonna put half of a chicken bouillon. Half of a chicken bouillon. We're just gonna steam the green peas. Let it, boil for a few minutes. Not too much. It's not difficult to cook. Okay, guys, this is our jonjon. If you wanna get the moss, out of it, you can blend it. But me, I'm not gonna blend it. Just gonna drain it like that. And then go like that. Some people even put all these things, but I don't like it. I tried it, you know, I don't like it. You can feel it under your teeth. So I don't put it. And then all you're gonna do is put some cold water, put some water on it, so you can get, everything of it. You're gonna squeeze it like that to get the color out of it. You know? Check on our chicken. We're not gonna let it cook too much because we're gonna fry it. So it's good now. After like 15 minutes, it's good. You see how much water you got from it? And this water, you're gonna save it to mix the gravy. You're gonna save it, for sauce, to make some sauce, or you can just use it like that with your fried plantain and everything. Look, guys, just like that, you're gonna fry it. Don't let it cook too much. Can't be full of the bone. Just like that. Let me show you. You see it? All right, I'm gonna turn it off. and take it out of, the water so I can fry it. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna put our John water. Okay. So our coconut is boiled on it. I like to boil my coconut a few minutes before I put the John water, and you don't have to, but I do. So here we go. We're gonna put our John water. Okay, guys. Now it's boiled. Taste it to see if your salt is good and you like it. And then you're gonna put your rice. Try not to put too much water, guys. Okay? Put your rice. Don't put too much water at all. This is jasmine rice. I'm gonna let it boil like that. Let's prepare our shrimp for the rice. It's a little bit more than a half pound. I have 1 pound, but I'm not gonna put all of it. So what I'm gonna put is a little bit complete seasoning, and I'm gonna put some Old Bay season. Old Bay is good for seafood. Okay, be careful, they have a lot of salt. And squeeze a little bit lime. You need lime for seafood. And then here we go. Okay, let's go. I'll show you how I cook it. Here we have our rice. It's going on nicely. Okay, we're gonna do the shrimp. This is our shrimp marinated. And in a hot pan, gonna drizzle some oil. Let it, hot a little bit. Okay, we have our rice here. Guys, the more rice you put, your John is not gonna be dark. Okay, if you want it to be black, you have to put little rice, not much rice. But it doesn't have to be black to be Jiri John, because you put John on it. Okay, now we're gonna put, here we go, guys. We have our shrimp over it. Do it like that, just like that. Like that. All right, and we're gonna steam it. Okay, guys, here I have 3 plantain. I already peeled 2 of it. This is it. I cut them. Then I have 1 more to do. I leave it so I can show you. Okay, here we go. You have to get green plantain. This one is not so green, but they're not ripe. So it's good. And then you can go like that, okay? Or you can make them just like that. Let me show you this part. How to make it another way, just like that, straight. If not, you can just put it like that. Okay, there we go. We're gonna start frying now. So we're gonna fry our plantain and our chicken. But I like to fry my plantain because we're gonna fry the plantain 2 times. I like to fry my plantain first, the first time before the chicken. Then while I squeeze them, and I will fry my chicken. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I have that little frying thing. I'm gonna put my plantain in it. I already put some oil. The oil is hot. Oh, it's raining outside. Okay, guys, rice is good. It's looking good. Yes, look at that, nice and fluffy. Guys, I took out the fried plantain. Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool a little bit, not cold, before I squeeze it. If you let it cold, you won't be able to squeeze it to make it flat. So now I'm gonna put my chicken. Okay. I'm gonna show you. Time to take them out. The chicken out. Not gonna let them dry. Look at that beautiful color. Put the rest of it. Okay, guys, we're gonna flat our plantain with something like that. You see, if you don't have one like that, you can get 2 plates, put one face down, put the plantain over it, and the one you have in your hand, flat it down with the other plate. Okay, if you don't have one of these, then this is how I flat my plantain down. Don't push it too flat. Okay, and then you take it out. Do another one. Don't go all the way down. There we go. Okay, guys, to fry my plantain, I have some salt water. Okay, look here, salt water, and I have my plantain. I'm gonna take it one by one or two. You can put two. Dip it in the salt. Let the water drip, and then put it in the oil. Dip it. Let the water drip. Put it in the oil. Let it fry. A second time, the last time. Okay, guys, we're gonna take them out. There we go. Got our fried plantain. Very nice and crunchy, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. This is our gravy. The gravy, the water we boil our chicken. You can use it just like that for some sauce, something to dip your plantain or put over your rice, because I put some paprika. It's already give it some color. You don't have to put tomato paste. But if you want it thicker, you can, this is what I do. This is some flour I put in the water. Mets dans ti farine dans de l'eau. Et puis, you see, farine, all-purpose flour. Mettez un tablespoon dans de l'eau. I stir it nice. And I'm gonna put it in there to make it thicker. Okay? It's gonna make it thicker. When I put it in it, I stir it while it's boiled. And our sauce will be good. If you want, you can put some onion on it. You don't have to. It's already have taste of onion because my Haitian épices have onion on it, and the pickles have onion. You don't have to, but you can put some onion too. You see, now the sauce is nice and ready to serve. A gravy. Yep, and don't let it boil too much, because when it's cold, it's gonna be thicker. Okay, guys? Nice. Okay, guys, now my husband gonna try and I gonna try. Let's try, Daddy. Go ahead. This is the fried plantain. Let me put that on this side. I'm just gonna have one. Let me put sauce for it. The fried plantain. There we go, guys. Very nice. Okay. Now I wanna try the rice. I got my spoon, guys. I don't eat with fork. Put some sauce over the rice. I'm gonna put some pickles. Guys, I didn't show you how to make that pickles, but you can check it out in my YouTube channel. I make a few of them. Very easy. And I'm gonna make another one for you guys next week. Separate, so you can watch it. Look, beautiful, huh? Quite.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Everything tastes good.
Quite the shrimp. Put the shrimp, the pieces.
Yummy.
Very nice. Get some of this.
Yummy.
This is the fried chicken. I'm gonna put some sauce over it. Go, guys. Tastes very good.
Yeah. Everything tastes good.
I love the pickles. Is it too spicy for you? Try it.
No.
Try it.
No.
It's so spicy.
No.
Why are you scared of spicy things?
I taste already.
Mm, mm, mm.
Yummy, yummy.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That's very good.
Wow.
The rice.
Chicken is yummy. Everything good.
Whoa.
Mm.
Mm.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. Mm. The rice is very, very good. That sweet pea on it, that John taste.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Simon, essaye manger ça, li bon en pile. Si n'a fait fête,
Mm-hmm.
you have to have that food. If you don't want to make fried chicken, you can make pork grill. Mm-hmm. But if you're having a party, you invited some Haitian, you must have du fried meat, whatever meat, fried chicken, fried pork, fried plantain, pickles. You have to have that, guys. Okay? Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video.